Ross has got the trucks.
Presenting the 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's powered by four-wheel drive, a 3.6-liter, six-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. The features include electric trunk, tow package, tow hook, alloy rims, a spoiler, roof rails, keyless entry, heated outside mirrors, independent suspension, brake assist. Inside you'll find Bluetooth connectivity, Sirius XM satellite radio, an auxiliary input, a premium sound system, push-button start, dual temperature controls, automatic climate control, curtain head airbags, front airbags, side airbags. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Ross has got the trucks, man. Ross has got the trucks. Right now you're in luck, man. Ross has got the trucks and Jeeps and vans, man. Do the best that you can, man. Two-wheel, four-wheel, everyone's a good deal. Ross has got the trucks.